Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बच्चे. Good morning.
Ma'am, today we'll do.
Beta, we will do civics, political parties chapter, right?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. I am sharing the screen with you all. Give me a moment. Can you see the screen? Beta, can you all
Yes,
see the screen?
yes, ma'am.
Fine. Some questions are there. See, very short answer type questions, short answer type questions, long answer type questions. First 3 to 9 you people do, and then we will discuss these answers, right?
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
Those who have joined late, 3 to 9 questions you have to do, 10 minutes you have, and then we will discuss them, right? Since morning the strength is less only, class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. देखो कौन है हमारे वेटिंग रूम में क्लास, सेंटर फॉर एजुकेशन एंड एंगेजमेंट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग, ये कौन है भाई?
मैम पावनी है.
नहीं.
ओके, आर यू श्योर?
यस
Yes,
मैम.
ma'am.
Okay, so तो ये बड़ा खतरनाक चीजें लगती हैं। कहा करो भाई नाम चेंज करके आया करें ये लोग, है ना।
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा, चेंज द नेम। आई गॉट सो
Yes,
डाउट
ma'am. Just
हाँ, आई गॉट सो डाउटफुल टेकिंग यू इन, देन आई आस्क्ड देम।
actually changed my device today, so that is why.
No, no issues, no issues.
Ma'am, which all questions are we supposed to do?
Beta, question number 3 to 9.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा कारगी।
Ma'am, in question 5, where they are asking for how parties select the candidates. So, do we need to mention about the party elections or the social hierarchy?
No, how the parties choose their candidates. Only that you have to tell. Detailing it is not asking you.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, shall we start now discussing?
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay, okay, okay. Hope everyone is doing. Mohit? Mohit, are you doing? Okay. Beta, as soon as you are done with the first 4 answers, 3, 4, 5, 6, send it on the class group, please. Okay.
Ma'am, in question 7, we need to write all functions.
No, 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 no. You need to write just 2 functions because it is a 3-mark question book. So 1 mark for the first part and 2 marks for the second part.
Okay, ma'am.
So Ujjwal, you can always show it on the screen. Switch on the camera of your device by which you are taking your class. Show me how much you have done, please. Ujjwal, I hope I am audible to you. Ujjwal, can you show? Are you not able to unmute yourself? Beta, first 4 done. Shall we discuss? Gargi and Eza, you both have sent your work?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, till answer 6.
Okay. Ujjwal, show it on the screen, beta. I'm waiting for you to show me. Ujjwal? Can you see Ujjwal in the participants list?
No, ma'am.
Very good. Chaliye. First answer, Naina. Naina, are you there? Naina? Naina? Naina is not there. Naina Sharma, can you hear me? Pavni?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, first answer. What do you mean by ruling party?
Ma'am, ruling party stands for the political party which is currently governing the country.
हाँ, that runs the government कह सकते हैं, ठीक है. Second one, as a, how do parties run the government of a country?
Ma'am, parties which come in power by getting the maximum votes in an election run the government of a country.
ठीक है. Any other answer for the same, Gargi?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, political parties recruit leaders, train them, and then make them ministers to run the government.
Yes. This should be the correct answer, right, Eza?
Yes, ma'am.
Then next question. Puneet, are you there? Puneet, are you
Yes,
there? Okay. Tell the next answer. How do the parties select their candidates? How do the parties select their candidates? Have you written the answer for it?
I'm doing.
Okay. Who will tell this answer? Pavni.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, parties select their candidates in different ways. For example, in a country like USA, members and supporters of a party choose its candidates, whereas in India, top party leaders choose candidates contesting elections.
ठीक है. Very good. Gargi, your answer is the same?
Ma'am, I was not sure of this answer.
But what you have written is also correct. Parties select their candidates through internal elections. हाँ. Generally ये होता है कि the top party leaders, those who are there, they only make the choices for the candidates who is going to contest from where, right? चलिए. Next is what is partisanship?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Naina. अच्छा नहीं, it was Anya or Naina?
Ma'am, Naina.
Naina, हाँ जी बेटा बताइए.
Ma'am,
Partisanship.
partisanship is the kind of a business that enables two or more persons.
It is not a kind of business.
Sorry.
हाँ.
Ma'am, I'll think and then tell.
Okay, Ananya, are you there? Ananya?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
This answer, what is partisanship? I'll just go through your
Ma'am,
answer that you've said. Huh.
Ma'am, partisanship is a tendency to take a side and an inability to take a balanced view on an issue.
Very good. Very good. ठीक है. Next.
Ma'am, may I also try again?
Yes, Naina.
Ma'am, partisanship is a kind of a relationship between the people uh, and their political party.
And their political
Party.
Not exactly. वो जो अभी आनंदा ने बताया, that is more appropriate. ठीक है. Basically क्या होता है, when you are a diehard supporter of a particular party, you forget, means you become biased and you don't want to see the loopholes or the drawbacks of the same. So they are not able to give a.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, ठीक है. चलिए next. What is a political party? Write its functions.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Pavni.
First, a political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. They have a various number of functions. First, parties contest elections to choose their candidates. Second, parties put forward different policies and programs. Third, parties shape public opinion and raise issues.
Right. Fine. See, there are 7 points given in the book. Any 3 or any 2 you can write for the same. Well done, Pavni. Gargi, your version of this answer? This question, sorry.
Ma'am, it's same.
Okay. Tell you next. How do political parties form opinion? Gargi.
Ma'am, may I?
Wait. Let Gargi tell. Hanji, Gargi, batao.
Political parties shape public opinion. They raise and highlight issues. Many of the pressure groups are the extensions of political parties among different sections. They sometimes launch movements for the resolution of problems faced by people.
Okay. Very good. Yes, Naina, your version of the same answer, same question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, political parties form the public opinion in following ways. First, they raise and highlight the issues. Second, they have some pressure groups, which are the extensions of the political parties among different sections of the society. Third one could be some parties, sometimes the parties launch movements for the resolution of the problems which are faced by the citizens or the public.
Of the country. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Then next is, what are the disadvantages of political parties? What are the disadvantages of political parties? Yes, class. Do these political parties have drawbacks? Do they have any weak points?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell Gargi.
Ma'am, the disadvantages of political parties are: first, political parties may cause regionalism. Second, political parties may also lead to corruption. And third, they sometimes use unfair means to win over their opposition parties.
Very good. See, class 9th, we have read about this. Hai na? So very good. Can we have Puneet telling the same answer? Puneet, are you there? Puneet, are you there? Puneet, chaliye. Naina, your version for this question. Naina, she's also not there. Aiza.
Yes, ma'am.
Same a question. What are the disadvantages of political parties?
When political parties can lead to corruption, and they also sometimes use unfair means for elections, and they also lack internal democracy.
Okay. They also, some of the political parties, sometimes they encourage casteism and communalism for their vote banks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next question. State the various functions of the political parties. State the various functions political parties perform in a democracy, or explain the importance of political parties in modern democracy, or describe any 5 major functions of political parties. Any one of it. Who will give answer to this? Have you tried this answer? Hanji beta.
Ma'am, the 5 major functions of political parties are as follows. First, parties contest election. In most democracies, elections are fought mainly among the candidates put up by political parties. Second, parties put forward different policies and programs, and the voters choose from them. In a democracy, a large number of similar opinions have to be grouped together to provide a direction in which a policy can be formulated. Third, parties play a decisive role in making laws for a country. Formally, laws are debated and passed in the legislature. Fourth, parties form and run government. The big policy decisions are taken by political executives that come from the political parties. And fifth, parties provide people access to government and government machinery and welfare schemes implemented by government.
Ananya, next answer. What is
Ma'am,
the...
actually, I've not started writing the wrong answers yet.
Okay, fine. Naina will tell this answer. What is the need of political parties?
Yes, ma'am, I can try. Ma'am, the need for political parties is as follows. First, that political parties oppose the government and convey the people's grievances to the government. They're also the pillars of democracy, and the leaders which are elected, they are to serve the people. The leaders or the representatives work for the betterment of every society, of the country and the people. Political parties, it work as the link between the people, public and the government.
The members of the political party work as link. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Anybody else for the same question? Pavni, Puneet, Eza? No? See, in this question, there are several, like, what is the need of political parties? Yeah, they are saying political parties are a necessary condition for a democracy. Analyze the statement with examples. Why can't modern democracies exist without the political parties? Give any 4 reasons. Then imagine a situation without political parties in the country and describe it. Explain the necessity of political parties in a democracy. I think where after the functions of the political party, where what is the necessity topic is given. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
From there only you have to chalk out points and write this answer for. Okay. Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next question is, explain 2 functions each of the ruling party as well as of the opposition parties. Explain 2 functions each of the ruling party as well as of opposition parties. Who will tell? Puneet, are you not there in the class? Puneet? बेटा जवाब तो दो बच्चे. As a answer for this question, functions of ruling parties and opposition parties.
I'm just
Okay. बेटा बताओ भाई. Okay, can we have Gargi telling the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell.
Ma'am, the two functions of ruling party are as follows. First, they play a decisive role in making laws for a country because most of the decisions, big policy decisions are taken by political executive, which come from the ruling party.
Okay.
And second, that they recruit leaders and make them ministers to run the government in the way they want.
Very good.
Two functions of opposition are first, they mobilize opposition to the government, and second, they criticize the government for the failures and the wrong policies.
Okay. Very good. Very good. See, these opposition parties, they play a very important role. Why? Because if these opposition parties are not there, the ruling parties will never work for the never work in accordance to the public's demand. Because these opposition parties, they keep a complete check on the working of the government. They keep a complete check on the policies that are made by the government, how they are executing it. Everything they keep, वो कहते हैं ना कि eagle's eye रखते हैं. Why? Because they know that a small loophole may, give chance to the opposition to criticize them. Right? Right, class? Beta. क्या हो जा रहा है ये बात?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next answer. I think it is asking you about the functions again of the political parties. So this already we have done, the functions. Now let us come to the next question, that is, what is the role of opposition party in democracy? Or ठीक है, ये हो गया same ही. ठीक है. Other than the points that you have told, do you have any other point for the same question? The functions of the political party, of the opposition parties? Naina, Gargi, Aiza, Ananya? Class?
No, ma'am.
No,
नहीं बेटा, और तो होंगे. देखो, बुक खोल के देखो, बुक में दिए हुए हैं बहुत सारी चीजें. या आप अपने आप देखो जो भी हमारा पॉलिटिकल सिनेरियो है, उसमें आप देखो कि भाई आप इधर देखो, दे आर टेलिंग यू कि भाई एक तो जो गवर्नमेंट के जो फेलियर्स होते हैं उनको क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं. ठीक है. अपोजिशन को मोबिलाइज करते हैं. तीसरा चीज, दे कीप अ चेक ऑन द गवर्नमेंट फ्रॉम बिकमिंग अथॉरिटेरियन और एंड रिस्ट्रिक्ट इट्स पावर. ठीक है भाई, दे डोंट लेट द गवर्नमेंट एक्ट इन आर्बिट्ररी मैनर. ठीक है. जैसे आप देखो, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के पावर्स को लेके जो भी था, वो कितना ज्यादा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हुआ था उसमें. तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैड टू इंटरवीन एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैड टू से दिस कि भाई जो है गवर्नमेंट आर्बिट्ररी मैनर में जो है सेंट्रल स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को डिसमिस नहीं कर सकती है, वॉट एवर मे कम. राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Then they have a right to check the undue expenditure of the government. गवर्नमेंट पैसा खर्च करती है फॉर द पीपल, ठीक है, बट जो अननेसेसरी एक्सपेंडिचर्स होते हैं which is done unnecessarily, so these opposition parties, they keep a check on this, right? And
Yes, ma'am.
एंड ड्यूरिंग द क्वेश्चन आर, आपका क्वेश्चन आर होता है ना जब पार्लियामेंट के सेशंस होते हैं, तो जो क्वेश्चन आर होता है उसमें जो है ऑपोजिशन पार्टी हैज कंप्लीट राइट टू क्रिटिसाइज द गवर्नमेंट. और जब अगर अपोजिशन पार्टी नहीं होगी, देन द ruling party will never become a better ruling party. Why? Because they know that there are people who are keeping a watch on their working and everything, and if they are not, and moreover opposition party has to play the role in a very justified manner. Unnecessarily they cannot create fuss among the people that party is doing this, party is doing that. They have to be very they have to form opinion in such a way that they are able to exercise the public opinion, right, in a correct manner, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one last question. What is a multi-party system and why has India adopted a multi-party system? Explain. Can you tell what is multi-party system and why has India adopted a multi-party system?
Ma'am, a multi-party system is the system in which 2 or more parties they contest elections or participate.
ठीक है. And why India has adopted a multi-party system? Yes, Gargi.
Ma'am, the census.
Okay, chalo, let Gargi tell. Yes, Gargi, why India has adopted multi-party system? Can you tell?
Ma'am, because India is a diverse country, so to put together all the views, they have adopted a multi-party system.
Yes, because socially and geographically, if we see, there is a huge diversity in the country, and to, one party system or 2-party system would not have been justified for such a huge, vast, diversified nature of the country. That is why multi-party system was adopted by the country, so that every community, every group's interest is accommodated, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, see you on Monday, all of you. We'll continue with civics for 2 days, and not Monday, whenever we have the class. And